guys! So today, pupunta kami ng Düsseldorf. Kasi nga, susunduin namin, ipipick up namin yung anak niya. Kasi nga, tawag nito? Hindi na kami pumunta sa kanila. Kasi nga, di ba malayo, more than 2 hours yung biyahe. Kaya, pinasakay na lang namin siya ng train and then, ipipick up na lang namin siya sa Düsseldorf. So, mga 55 minutes lang yung drive. Yeah. Matagal din ako hindi nakapag-vlog. Kaya, babawi tayo. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Green na yung mga puno. May mga dahon na. So guys, nandito na kami sa sa train station ng Düsseldorf. And hinindi na lang namin na makababa yung anak niya. Mga 5 minutes na lang siguro. So ito. Actually, ang lawak ng train station nila. Husband. See? Bumili lang kami ng pagkain. Ng bread. At saka si husband naman is bumili siya ng coffee. So nakababa na siya guys. Pupuntahan lang namin siya. Ang daming tao. Yung mga security. So nasa nasa 5B. So guys, mali yung napuntahan namin. 5C yung napasukan namin. Here. In this side. Sa AB. So dito. Sobrang lamig sa labas. So we're here. So guys, kasama na namin yung anak ni husband. Ito sila. So ngayon, pinick up ko lang yung aking in-order sa DJI. Yung in-order ko is microphone. Look guys, oh. Ito yung cheese nila. So meron ng market ngayon, Friday pa lang. So pupuntahan namin yung bedsheet. No, it's not there. It's here. No, only there, oh.
Oh my goodness.
It's only like 1 minute. Or it's not really 1 minute.
Minute. Driving.
So ayan siya. So malapit lang to guys sa sa bahay namin. There.
They have the biggest ones.
Yeah, you can. You see there. That one. Yeah. It's plenty. See? Mayroon silang binibenta. There also, oh, you see that? There. Not this one, here. So, ito yung bedsheet. You see, we love this one also. It's okay. Hold, oh, touch. See? It will not gonna, it's not the same as this, oh. That can easily.
We need 220 to 220.
220.
220 to 220. See? There's two.
This one?
Watch the sizes. We need 220 to 20.
200.
Hallo, dat is het goed hè, als hij oké is.
So, ito yung mga design ng mga bedsheets. Yan si Gabriel.
No, 240. Not 220 to 20.
No, we have 220 to 20.
No, 220 to 20. Number 2. 2 to 20, but smaller. And the king size is 240 to 20. Is correct.
Guys, nandito kami sa Amsterdam.
Man zegt praat aan je naad, hè?
Yung uncle niya is naglalakad. Imbis na sumabay na lang siya sa amin kasi nga dadaan kami dyan sa sa Jumbo store. So, nandito kami guys sa Amsterdam. And wala dito yung anak niya kasi nga sumama dun sa anak ng uncle niya. Nag-ano sila ng scouting. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila. And then after nito is pupunta kami ng hotel. Mag-check-in kami. Kasi nga bukas guys is travel. So punta kami ng tulip farm. At alam niyo ba ngayon, malamig, 10 degree. Maganda yung weather kahapon, kaso nga lang may trabaho kami nun. So ngayon 10 degree, tapos bukas lang hanggang 15 degree lang. Tapos uulan pa nga siya ng very very light. So, ayan, sana hindi masira yung lakad namin bukas.
What you saying about Plymouth Park?
No.
I want to go to Plymouth Park.
So, ito yung Jumbo. Dito kami bumili dati. Ayan, let's go. So, nandito kami guys sa loob ng Jumbo. Kasi nga, bibili lang kami ng pagkain. Dadalhin namin sa hotel para hindi na rin kami
Sparkling.
para hindi na rin kami
you want to your
mag-order ng food sa hotel. Kasi di ba alam niyo na, kapag sa hotel mahal. So, kuha lang ko ng drinks. Actually, meron kaming nabiling rice. Tapos yung beef at saka yung pork. So, kuha ko ng coke. Ay, naka cherry man to. Ayoko yung may flavor. Gusto ko yung natural lang. Parang wala. So, ito na lang isa. Ay, ito. Nahanap ko. Can you get this? Oh, it's okay. You?
Water?
Water also.
No, I have water. My water in the car.
So, I need
This
water.
one spa. This one, huh?
Yeah, this pa. Only one. So,
So, and that's it.
that's it?
I think
Okay.
so, no? What do you
Okay.
want something else? Maybe some bread.
Some chips, maybe.
Chips.
Because later we were gonna watch cinema, a movie. Actually guys, dun sa in-stay namin merong
What is that?
merong sauna and then swimming pool. Yung problema is hindi kami nakapagdala ng swimsuit. Kaya let's see kung meron ba kayong bibili doon. Kasi sayang no, libre na yung sauna kasama na dun sa binayaran namin. So guys, nandito na kami sa hotel. So ayan oh. Actually, ang lawak niya.
This bag you can also take it, huh? Handle it.
So ayan, yung oras na ngayon is 8 PM na. Dapat talaga kanina pa kami nag-check-in. Kaso nga, diba, ang dami namin pinuntahan kanina. Nakarating kami sa uncle niya is mga mga 5 PM. So, yeah. Wala pang sunset. Matahimik din siya kasi nga doon sa kabila, siya, para siyang farm. So, yung pangalan nito is Vanderbock Hotel. So, ayan. Hindi pa nga namin mahanap yung yung reception area. Ang lawak kasi nito. So, nag-ask kami dun sa guard. So, guys, ito yung pangalan ng hotel. Lounge Acres Slot. Since 1982. So, tayo nyo guys, meron din silang restaurant dyan sa loob. So, paano tayo yung itsura? So, pasok lang tayo. Tadaan! Parang mahaling tong hotel na nabook namin. So, ayan, ang ganda. Pupunta lang kami ng room namin. Malaki ng malaki itong hotel. Ayan. So, room 142. So, let's go inside. Ta-da!
No, just... Yeah, put card inside somewhere. Here, I think, or no. Wait, it must be... Or maybe not. No, it's maybe not. Maybe it's okay.
So, okay guys, this is our
But...
room. Exactly, it's not bad.
But you said it but. No but? Fuck. No, it must be but.
Lipat kami ng room. Kasi nga, yung room na binigay nila is walang bathtub. So, na-expect kami na merong bathtub. So, ayan. Ililipat kami ng room kung saan merong bathtub. Layo pa naman itong room na to. So, here, elevator. So, ayan. Binigyan na kami ng panibagong room. So, di ba, nagaling kami ng 252. So, ngayon, 260. Yung sabi ng reception, lucky daw kami kasi nga, meron pang natirang room na merong bathtub. So, kaya binigay na lang sa amin. Yeah. Let's go! Papakita ko sa inyo yung aming room.
Here.
Here.
Start again.
Let's go inside. Where's the light? The smell. It's not really good, no?
It's okay.
Wait, it's so dark. Where's the light? So, this is our... Ano to? What is this? Balcony. Here is balcony, my love.
Good.
So, this is our bed. Para siyang king bed. Where is the light? Buksan lang natin yung light. Ang dilim eh. Turn on the lights. Isa lang yung ilaw. Ang dilim. Baka meron pa dito isa. So, ayan. Okay, let's start again. So, guys, this is our room. So, meron pang maliit na center table dyan. So, ito yung aming TV. At meron coffee maker. Para din. So, ito yung aming bed. Malaki na.
So you want to go to casino?
So, and this is the shower and the toilet and the bathtub. Tadadun, tadadun. Malaki ng bathtub. So, kasyang-kasya kami ni husband dito. And this is the mirror. Meron din silang hair blower. Pero meron akong dala. Ito yung mga nila. Shower gel, shampoo, and sabon. Kaso, wala silang toothbrush. Nakalimutan ko magdala.
That's still no heater.
Huh?
No heater. No oven.
Actually, guys, meron din silang sauna. And tsaka swimming pool sa labas. Pero hindi ko sure kung pupunta ba kami ng sauna or swimming pool. Okay, so ang ganda ng sunset. Punta natin. Labas tayo di.
Go to restaurant.
We can also, nandito pala yung yung pintuan. Buksan natin. Look at that! Ang ganda. So, ito yung upuan. And look at the sunset, guys. Oh, shit! Ang ganda. Color pink na may yellow. Yan yung casino. So, doon kami galing. Kasi nga, tanaw din yung casino. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng sunset, oh. So, pasok tayo ulit. So, my love, look at the sunset. It's really nice.
Yes, I saw it. I noticed. Beautiful.
So, tanggalin ko lang yung bag. Kasi hindi ko natanggal.
Much better.
So, guys, pupunta kami sa baba. Kakain kami sa restaurant. Magpalit lang ko ng damit. So, ayan. Outfit check! Tadaan! So, ayan, guys. This is my outfit.
Yes.
Suot lang ko ng leather jacket. Kasi baka malamig sa baba. Thing is, we don't have charger.
But for now, it's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Enjoy it.
So, ayan.
I would better wear my blue.
Blue?
No, Anders, light.
Outfit check. Come here. So ayan, let's go.
Yes.
Guys, this is our food. Tada! Masarap yung kay husband, oh. Pero share kami niyan, for sure. And this is so guys, meron din sila dito binibentang mga towel, bathrobe. If nakalimutan nyo magdala. So ito yung mga drinks nila. Hindi naman sobrang mahal. Ang earrings and necklace. Look at that. And bag also. Ayan. Tapos na kami kumain. So babalik na kami sa room. So guys, ito yung gym nila, oh. Meron pang gumagamit. Tapos yun yung swimming pool, oh. Kaso hindi kayo magsiswimming, eh. Kasi late na. Basta ayun yung swimming pool, oh. Ang laki, oh. Sayang.
Maybe if I go all day long, I'm already too tired for all this.
Pero meron naman kaming bathtub sa loob. So yan lang gagamitin namin.